Hey guys, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and trick video on a 2015 to present Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon pickup truck. We put a 6-inch rough country lift on it, some 20x10 Lux HD 8 wheels in a gloss black with a milled window finish, and some 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12 ply. Real quick, this rough country lift, starting from the front, it's a relatively easy knuckle lift. However, one thing that you need to know going into it, you're gonna have to press the bottom bushing out of your strut. A lot of people don't have the tools to press bushings out at their house or just at a regular friend's shop. So go ahead and make sure that you have lined up a machine shop that can press the bushing out so that you can install the lift spacer portion of it on the bottom of the strut. Besides that, you have to cut your cross member if it's a 4-wheel drive truck. Very, very common. Make sure you have your reciprocating saw or an angle grinder or something of that nature. Moving to the back, it's just a regular block lift and nothing too difficult after that. We fit 20x10s with a 0 offset very easily. With a 33-inch tire and a 6-inch lift, you just had to trim a little bit of the inner fender on the front. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, we installed a rough country bull bar on the front. Would like to point that out. And it's got these nifty factory rails. Also, if you are looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I wish I could just buy that truck already done, already built. I don't want to have to go to the Chevy store, buy one, then bring it to you and have you lift it and then be done. I just want to get it all in one. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page. We're going to start posting our vehicles that we've built for dealers that are currently for sale on that website. So the idea is you can go ahead and buy exactly what you want already built. You don't have to buy it from them, then bring it to us. It's just already done. Finally, if you want to buy these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the rails, the bull bar, headlights, tail lights, fenders, bumpers, you name it, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.